A lookbook is more than just a collection of images. It's the essence of a brand, the visual identity that tells a story. Whether you're working with a new designer or an established fashion house, nailing a high-end lookbook requires precision, vision, and an understanding of the fashion industry. Let's dive into the essentials for creating a stunning high-end lookbook. A lookbook is about showcasing a designer's collection in a way that highlights the textures, colors, and silhouettes of the garments. Unlike editorial fashion, which tells a more conceptual story, a lookbook keeps the focus on the clothing itself. That means clean, consistent imagery that aligns with the brand's aesthetic. Pre-production is where everything comes together. Here's what you need to do or plan for a successful shoot. First, you have the concept and mood board. It aligns with the brand's vision. Gather inspiration for poses, lighting, and backgrounds. Team selection. Work with a skilled team, models, stylists, makeup artists, assistants who understand high fashion. Location and set design. Whether it's a studio shoot or an on-location setting, choose an environment that complements the collection. Wardrobe coordination. Ensure the outfits are properly styled, steamed, and ready to shoot without last-minute surprises. Lighting is everything in fashion photography. For high-end lookbooks, you want even a flattering light that makes the garment pop. Some go-to setups include softbox or large diffusers for soft, even light without harsh shadows. Backlit or rim lighting to add dimension or depth while maintaining a clean aesthetic. Natural light, soft morning or a late afternoon light works best for a luxurious feel. Unlike editorial shoots where poses can be dramatic, experimental, lookbooks require poses that showcase the garments clearly. Think strong yet relaxed poses that show movement and drape. Minimal distractions. The clothing should always be the focal point. Consistent angles to maintain uniformity across all images. Here's some additional posing tips to ensure a high-end lookbook shoot stands out. Body awareness. Direct models to create natural yet elegant shapes with their bodies. Slight shifts in their weight, asymmetrical poses, and a graceful hand placements can enhance the garment's flow. Micro movements. Small controlled movements help create dynamic yet subtle variations in poses which allow for more natural and engaging results. Eye contact and expression. While lookbooks focus on clothing, the model's expressions should still align with the brand's aesthetic, whether that's soft and approachable or fierce and high fashion. Poses and silhouette. Encourage long poses in the body. A straight posture with a slight curve in the spine often helps create a polished, high-end look. Walking poses. If the brand wants a dynamic feel, incorporate slow, purposeful movements, such as controlled steps or fabric twirls to emphasize the garment's motion. Once you capture the perfect shots, the final touches happen in post. Keep the editing clean and minimal. Retouch skin, refine details, ensure color accuracy so the garments look as they do in real life. Deliver high-resolution images formatted for both print and digital use. And there you have it, the essentials for a high-end fashion lookbook. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more fashion photography insights, and let me know in the comments what your biggest challenges are when shooting lookbooks. Until next time, keep creating.